interview question on Verilog. Okay. So there I have taken a list of questions on Verilog. So we'll start the discussion now. We'll start with mock interview. So before going to depth, what is the difference between HDL language and software languages, guys? Hello. Hello. Guys, am I audible?
Yeah,
Yeah.
in HDL language, so concurrency is possible while software language are sequential. Like parallelism is possible in HDL and hardware language.
Yes, exactly. This
And
is
yeah, we can model different hardware like flip-flop using HDL language.
yeah, that that's correct, Vansh. Is there anything like Shivpriya you can tell if you want to add any point onto this? Hello. Hello, Shivpriya, are you there?
No, sir, this
Uh,
concurrency only.
Yeah,
Parallel execution of blockout codes is possible in HDL
yeah,
language.
yeah, yeah, that's correct. Okay, my next question is like, what is the difference between Verilog and VHDL, and why we are preferring mostly Verilog? Why Verilog preferred in the industry? Shivpriya, can you answer for this?
Syntax wise, Verilog is easier and it is similar to C, so it is easier to learn and it
Okay,
is widely used in wireless communications. Like this.
okay. What about you, Vansh?
Correct only. VHDL is lesser used compared to Verilog, so VHDL is preferred in some security related applications like space and all. Space,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. So, like, yeah, what you told, that's correct. Like, complexity wise, like, Verilog is very less complex.
Very less, yeah.
Yeah, because like libraries are like no need to like here in Verilog we no need to call any libraries and all. So whereas in
Right.
VHDL we have libraries and all, we need to do that things like a little bit like compared to Verilog, where VHDL is very complex.
Yeah.
And one more point is like here Verilog is like the simulation time is very less. I
Okay.
mean, it will complete the simulation very fast compared to VHDL. It is little bit slow for VHDL. The simulation times take a longer time than Verilog. That's one more important difference between the Verilog and VHDL. That's where we will prefer Verilog in industry. Okay. My next question is like, what is the difference between Reg and Wire?
Both are data types. Wire
Okay.
comes in net data type and reg comes in register data type. Wire is a physical connection,
Okay.
whereas reg can store and update the value.
So yeah, yeah, that's correct. I have one more extension question on this. See, for example, uh, I'm writing a procedural block. Okay, I'm writing a code on procedural block. For example, let's take multiplexer. I'm writing code. So what will be my LHS side of the procedural block should be declared as? Did you got my question, guys?
Yeah. Can you repeat again? Sequential or combination?
It's any like combination
Okay.
multiplexer. I'm
Okay.
writing multiplexer.
Procedural
Yeah,
block. Okay.
yeah.
Uh, in procedural block, it should be reg. Left hand side should be reg, and right hand side either it's fine reg or wire.
Okay. What about if I'm not writing inside a procedural block? If I'm writing data flow model or a ternary operator, what might be like my left hand side?
if we are not writing in procedural blocks, suppose if we are using a data flow model, then wire should be used on left hand side.
Yeah, that's correct. Okay, that's true. My next question is like, what are the different types of processes or blocks in Verilog? Guys, did you got my question?
Yeah. There are two types of procedural block,
No,
initial
no,
and all.
not procedural blocks, processes.
Okay, different type of process
Yeah, or
processes.
blocks.
Okay, you mean data flow like that? Different type
Mm.
of
Those are
models.
those are abstraction levels. I'm
Okay,
talking about blocks, different types of blocks in Verilog or processes.
parallel process and sequential process.
What we will call that? Like,
I didn't. Yeah.
okay, Shivpriya, you have any idea on this?
No, sir.
Okay, that's fine. I'll explain. Like processes means like continuous concurrent assignment and procedural blocks are called processes, or we can call it as blocks also. These are the different types, two types of processes are blocks in Verilog. Okay, so you might know already this, but you might not understand the question properly. Might be. So you already know about procedural blocks and continuous concurrent assignment, right? What is mean by continuous concurrent assignment, Vansh?
Continuous concurrent assignment. We used assign in continuous concurrent assignment. It means like it is used to model the gates, like gate and combination logic. So any change in the input should reflect in the output immediately.
Okay.
For that we use assign or concurrent assignment.
Okay. Uh, Shivpriya, here I have extension question on this. If I have, okay, if I have, so uh, two statements. One is like two assignment statements I am writing. How it will work? Did you got my question? So I have two statements, like two assignment statements. How it will work? Like, will it work
So
sequentially or
is it
parallelly?
like blocking or non block?
No,
It
no. I'm
depends.
asking. It's in
Yeah,
module, not
both
in
at
set.
zero simulation time only.
Yeah, that means concurrency.
Concurrent, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I am expecting. So that's fine. Now we'll go to like what is meant by ternary operator. Vansh, okay. Did you got the question?
Uh,
What is meant by ternary operator?
yeah. So ternary operator means like I mean, it has one control, like one condition to check. One is condition. If condition is true, then like it has. I mean, if condition is true, then we can assign the value, and if condition is false, we can assign different value like that.
Okay. Can you write a syntax or can you write a 2:1 multiplexer code for it?
Sure, sure.
You can share your screen.
Okay.
Or else after writing also you can show your code, no problem.
Anything, it's fine.
You can take like EDA playground or something like that.
Okay.
Yeah. Shivre, meanwhile, you can also try.
2x1 multiplexer, right?
Yeah, 2:1 multiplexer.
Yeah. Done.
Yeah, Vansh, can you explain this code? Like what's exactly happening?
Yeah, so there are two cross one, like there should be uh, there are two inputs A and B, and there
Mhm.
is one third input select line.
Okay.
So yeah, so in two cross one mux, there are two inputs, and based on select line, output will be driven. So if select line is zero,
Hmm.
okay, if select line is zero, then A will output out will be A. If select
Okay.
line is one, out will be V.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's fine, Vansh. You're absolutely correct. We'll go for the next question.
Should I remove share?
Yeah, I already
Okay,
shared
okay.
my screen. What are the different types of operator in Verilog? Vansh, what are the
Different
different?
different
Yeah,
type of operator. Okay, so bitwise operator are there. Then logic operator are there, and then third is reduction type of operators.
sorry, I didn't get third one.
Reduction operator.
Okay, reduction operator and
Reduction operator, bitwise operator, and logical operators.
these three only.
Then like shifting and all shift operators. There are many actually.
Okay.
Shift operators for shifting. Uh, then this conditional operator was there.
Yeah. Shivpriya, if you know a few of them, you can also add to it.
Concatenation operator,
Yeah,
replication operator,
yeah, yeah, yeah. Still, arithmetic operators also is there, right?
yes sir.
Hmm.
Okay, that's fine. Can you explain me the difference between logic operator and bitwise operators? Guys, did you got my question?
Yeah.
Okay.
Logical operator means like it will check the condition if both are non-zero values. Suppose if two A and B numbers are two A and B numbers are there, each of 4 bit,
Mhm.
and if we use logical operator, then it will just check if A and B both are non-zero value, and it will give if both are non-zero, then it will give one like that. And bitwise operator is like it will like it will do the operation on each bit. Like suppose if two 4-bit numbers are there, then each bit will be, and if we are using AND operator and bitwise operator, then it will do AND in each bit.
Yeah, yeah, that's correct. Yeah, that's true. Okay, what are the different types of procedural blocks?
Always block, initial block.
Okay, what is the difference between them? Like, what is the difference between always and initial build?
Initial blocks starts at the zero simulation time
Okay,
and it's run till the last statement. Always it's act like for our loop.
okay,
So
it's a loop.
initial block it cannot be synthesized into a hardware, but always it's a synthesizable construct.
Yeah, that's correct. Vansh, did you want to add any point to it? Hello, Vansh, do you want to add any point to this, Vansh?
Hello, yeah. So initial block I mean points are same only. Like initial block run only one time. Always block will keep on running if there is any change in uh, sensitivity list. So and always block can be done can be used in both test bench and design, which means like it is synthesizable in the initial block is not synthesizable. It can only be used in test bench. Oh yeah.
That's true. Like
Mm,
always block will work as a loop. It will be
mm,
continuously
mm,
up to the end of the simulation. So whereas initial begin, it will run only, as she mentioned, it will run only one time.
mm.
So my next question is continues to this. So why stimulus is only driven in initial begin? Stimulus means like driving inputs. Okay, only in initial begin. Why not in always block?
Uh, if we use always block, then it will continuously keep on changing the and like
Yeah,
inputs will keep on changing. We want some kind of control. So initial block gives that control. It will run only one time, and whenever we want it, whatever time frame we wanted, we can control it.
yeah, yeah. Basically, you are telling like we can give values at one time based on the simulation times, and we can end
Yeah,
after the values.
correct. It give us a bit like some control over it. Otherwise, if we use always block, then it might keep on the inputs might keep on changing, and an unexpected behavior could be
Yeah,
there.
yeah. You mean it will work in a loop kind of
Loop,
thing?
yeah, correct.
Mm. Yeah, exactly. That's correct. That's why we will drive all inputs inside initial begin only.
Mm.
Okay. Tell me what are the different types of procedural assignments? Different types of procedural assignments. Shivpriya,
Yes, sir.
can you explain
It's
me what are the
always initial begin.
no procedural assignments? I'm asking, not procedural blocks. What about you, Vansh? Is there any answer from you?
You mean if else case statements like
No,
these?
no, no. Those are not the procedural assignments. Okay. Uh, Basically, blocking and non-blocking are the procedural assignments. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So, yeah. Can you differentiate between the blocking and non-blocking assignments?
Yeah. Blocking assignment is uh, used for combinational logic, and like it like delays are editable in in non-blocking in blocking assignment delays are editable, while in non-blocking assignments we use like in sequential logic only, and like here delays are not editable, like normal delays which we call inter delays are not editable. Sorry, intra delay we use in in non-blocking assignment, and these are not editable.
Okay. Oh, yeah, you told
Intra
that we'll use intra in
intra in
non-blocking. Yeah, yeah,
non-blocking and
yeah.
inter in blocking.
So only inter assignment delays only we'll use in blocking assignments. We can't use intra delays.
In blocking assignments, suppose if we use like intra delays also, we can use it, but the it will be same only, like there will be no much difference,
What about you,
because
Shivpriya?
it will
Sorry,
act
sorry.
as
Please
both.
continue.
It will act both as same, like inter or intra, both will be treated as same.
Okay, I want to give both inter and intra assignments.
Then it will
Then,
both will be editable.
okay.
Yeah.
When comes to non-blocking,
Uh, Only inter will be editable, not intra.
yeah, yeah, that's what. So, you told that like in combinational,
Mm,
we'll use blocking. In sequential
correct,
circuits, we'll use non-blocking. Why
correct.
like that? Like, why can't we use blocking assignments in sequential circuits? Shiv,
Because yeah,
yeah,
okay, sorry.
yeah, yeah, no problem. Shivpriya, can you answer for this?
Sir, in non-blocking, the RHS are scheduled.
Okay,
After the delay time, it will get updated.
yeah, okay.
So
Hello, am I audible?
yes, sir.
Yeah, your voice is not audible, Shivpriya. Can you like repeat it once?
In non-blocking, the RHS side of the assignment is scheduled. So it is
Okay.
not immediately updated.
Okay.
So after the release only it will be updated.
Okay.
Is it because
Uh, okay. So what about you, Vansh?
Uh, it is used to actually model the registers.
Okay.
So in registers, we have previous values. So
Oh,
like when clock comes, the previous value should execute it.
okay.
Okay, so register is basically used to store the value. So
Yeah.
non-blocking assignment give us that flexibility to modelize a register because uh, in like instantly the value will not change. Like only the previous value, like instant previous value will come as much as long as like as soon as clock is there, then previous value will come first.
Okay. Yeah, Pilit, yeah, that's fine. I just want to add some more point. See, basically, yeah, you told that's correct. So in when it comes to sequential circuits, we have previous output also, correct? So for example, when you are taking like any register, whatever you are getting output from first flip-flop, it is going as input to the next flip-flop, correct? So, but whenever you are changing on the next cycle, this first flip-flop input, immediately it won't reflect on the second flip-flop output, right? It will take previous output as its input. Hello.
Yes, yes.
So that's where it's like parallelly it will run.
Yeah, parallelism kind of thing it will provide.
Yeah, yeah. For individually, it will take inputs of each register, I mean each flip-flop, and it will update its values. Next cycle, it will update with the new output of first flip-flop as input of the second flip-flop. That's where we'll use. If you use like for sequential circuit also, like for sequential circuit also blocking assignment, then what it will happen? For example, I'm writing a like I want to design a 4-bit register, anything like serial in, serial out. Let's take serial in, serial out only. So then what will happen? For that, I'm using instead of non-blocking, I'm using blocking assignments. What it will happen? Hello.
Yeah. So if shift register is there, then like shifting will not will be there like perfectly. Like suppose if you want to shift 0 bit,
Okay.
like then
You can draw. You can draw if you want. You can draw and show me. Ranch. You can share your screen. You
mm,
can draw and show me. It will be better, I
yeah,
think.
okay.
You can share your screen. You can. I have stopped my sharing. You can share.
Mm. So suppose
You are writing for blocking or non-blocking, man?
I'm just making diagram. Actually, if suppose we are giving if blocking statement is used, okay,
Mm.
then suppose initial value of uh, a equal to 0, okay,
Okay. Okay.
and like we do like b equal to a,
Mhm.
then c equal to b,
Okay.
then both will like be in blocking. What happens at each clock cycle? So c will equal to b, c will equal to a equal to b. I mean all the three will have same value 0.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so like
At the at the time, how it will form the circuit? Yeah. Yeah. Whatever you
huh,
told, I got. So A, B, and C, you are telling same values will only
so
come.
it will just create a wire
Okay. One register
because
and one register it will
one
form.
register, yeah, one register will form maybe a, and then like b c d it will create as a wire because there is no
Yeah.
no, like there is, I mean, there is no need for a store because here C will equal to B equal to A like that.
Yeah.
But if we do the non-blocking, then it will create like three different register like that.
What is the symbol of non-blocking bench?
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's
Mm,
absolutely correct.
mm,
I think you just missed one point.
mm.
Whereas blocking will run sequentially, one block runs after the previous block finishes. But whereas
Correct.
non-blocking will run concurrently, like
Concurrently, yeah.
parallel all at. Yeah, that's the only thing I think you missed. Yeah, that's
Mm,
correct, Vansh. Yeah, good.
mm.
We'll move to next question. Uh, my next question is, what are the different types of delays? Shivpriya?
Yes, sir. Inter-assignment delay, gated delay, transport delay,
Okay.
and one more is there. I don't remember.
It's inertial delay.
Okay.
Yeah. But mostly we will use regularly inter delays only, inter and inter delays.
Okay.
Yeah, no, that's correct. Okay, can you explain me about fork join? Shipwreck, can you share your screen and write a simple snippet code for fork join block and explain me how it will work?
Okay. 1 second.
Vanch, if you don't mind, meanwhile, like, can you write a code for,
Mm. Hello.
yeah, can you write a code for to differentiate multiplex, like, sorry, if else and case statement, same code, but I am
Mhm.
writing in if else and case statement as well, how it will form the circuit.
Okay.
So can you write some example code for that? You can take any example, that's your wish. But
Sure.
can you write a code for that? Using if else and case.
Okay.
You can write and later you can just
Should
save it.
should I write like code or should I write draw the circuit?
No, no, you write the code in Vivado because
Mm.
we want circuit, right? So you just show
Okay.
me how the circuit forms and explain me about that why like that. Okay.
Okay.
Meanwhile, you can write that. Uh, Shivpriya, can you share your screen?
Yes, sir.
Screen.
Is it visible?
Yeah, sure, it is visible. Shivapriya, can you explain about it?
Yes, sir. One second.
Yeah. Hello, Shivapriya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, could you please explain about it?
Sir, usually fork and join is similar to begin and end only.
Okay.
The statements under the fork will get executed first. Once it
Okay.
completed, that join statement also like will be added to that fork.
Okay. I did, fork
Once
means I didn't get. Can you just repeat it? Like I didn't get.
one second, sir. The statements under the fork will get executed first.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. Later.
Once all the statements executed under that fork, the statement under the join will also be combined with that fork.
Okay. Like how it will execute inside a fork join block? How the threads? Yeah, that's correct. After the join only, that outside that line
Yeah.
number 30 will execute. That's correct. Absolutely correct. But how inside fork join the statements will execute? Did you understand my question, Shreya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Parallelly.
Yeah, parallel.
Parallelly. So first that 5 delay will be executed. Like all starts at 0 simulation time. That execution, the 5 delay, the execution will be completed.
Okay.
Next that 10 delay, next 20 delay.
Mhm.
So here at delay 20, all the statement in the fork will get executed.
Yes.
And join statement, that's delay 30.
Okay.
So 20 plus 30, here we get 50.
Yeah, that's
What
correct.
is that?
Yeah, that's correct, Shivra. I just want to one point. Like, see, it's not under join. Like, it's a block. Fork join is a block. Okay. The
Okay.
center comes on that whatever outside the segment is out of that which is not included in the fork join block. Okay. The entire fork join is one block. And I
Okay.
just want to add extend one more question from this topic. So you told that it's also like initial begin. So how like see why we are using like this fork join inside initial begin? Like you told that it's also like initial begin like that, right? I think.
Begin and dies.
Oh, okay, sorry, begin.
Ah.
You told like for example, like I'm writing initial begin. Inside that you are writing this thing, right? So whatever your fork join block statements and threads are there, you are writing. Like
Okay.
how it will work? Like why we are writing like that? I mean, what is the purpose of it writing inside initial begin?
It's a non-synthesizable construct.
Okay.
So delay is also just a value, right?
Yeah.
We can't get in netlist. Like we
Mm.
can,
Yeah, that's correct. You can't get in a netlist.
yeah.
No, I'm asking. See, instead of writing that, we can write only initial begin, right? Why we need fork join again to write inside initial begin? You already given like answer. I just
Okay.
yeah.
Uh,
Now I think you got my question.
uh,
Yeah.
yes, sir, I got it, but I don't know.
Okay. See, basically, initial begin will run sequentially, correct?
Yes.
So, but in between, you want to do some parallel execution. This fork join will run parallelly, right? As you mentioned, you already mentioned that. So, for
Okay.
that, inside that anything if you want run parallelly, then you are using for that purpose fork join.
Okay.
And one more question here, like if you use, for example, in line number after 10, 5 and 10 is there, right? Delays.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So if you write that two statement inside begin end, you just add after line number 6, enter, you add begin end. The two statements you keep inside begin end. Yeah. After 10, you keep it. Then now how it will work? Hello?
Now,
Yeah.
okay. Now first this 15 delay will be completed.
Okay.
Or
At a
the
time.
delays with are in begin and end.
At a time 15 will complete. You can run it. You can run it. You can run it and you can see answer and you can explain it.
This begin and end together is KMS 15.
Okay. That means how it is executing. So basically inside begin and what is the flow of the code? Will it will work parallelly or sequentially?
Sequentially.
So that complete begin and it will run sequentially. The first, whichever having least delay, it will run first. I mean, it will sorry, it will execution completed first. So 5 will executed first. So it has 15 delay to complete this 10, like 5 plus 10 sequentially, correct? So
Okay.
meanwhile, this 10 will complete, right? So that's why after 5, 10 is came. Then later 5 plus 10, it's 15. At 15, this entire begin and finish. Later 20, then obviously it's like 30. 20 plus 30, 50.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the
Yes,
thing.
sir, got it.
Yeah. So Vance, did you finish your code, Vance?
Yes.
Can you share your screen, please?
Yeah. Uh, so this is
Sorry, you're not
case.
sharing.
Um, I'm not sharing.
Yeah, your screen is not visible.
Okay, 1 second. Uh, it is visible now.
Yeah, it's visible, Vance.
This is Mux case.
Yeah.
Okay, so symmetric will be like this: 4 cross 1 mux.
Okay.
Okay, so for if else case,
Mhm.
1 second. Don't reload. So here it will be like 2 cross 1 mux 3 because when we are using if else, we are giving priority to suppose. So first, it will run first if statement. If it is false, then it will go to second. So we are giving
Okay.
priority to 0 0. So similar way it is created because like first like it will check one like 2 cross 1 mux will be there. Then its output will be checked with other mux. So so by using if else, we are giving kind of priorities. That's why if else is suitable for priority encoder, not for this. For normal normal mux case, we should use a case statement because it will give all the cases equal opportunity like that.
Okay. So, see why like it's forming for case as a like one mux, why it's like forming like series of mux for multiple like if else conditions.
Because I think for if else condition, suppose we are using if else, then it will give priority to first condition because first it will check if first condition is true or not, like that.
Yeah. So it is forming everywhere for if and if condition
Else,
pass it is and else part it is like another
correct,
so
another
it is
case.
forming one marks for that. Again
Yeah,
else if condition pass it will do. Again, otherwise again next else if. So it's again one more marks. Again
yeah, correct.
second else if and else part. For that also one more marks. So that's
Yeah,
why it's forming. It's checking every condition,
condition. Yeah,
right? So that's why it is forming series of marks. Where comes
mm,
to
mux
case
case.
statement, it's like directly based on your select line input, it will choose any one of the
Yeah,
input as its output. So that's why it is forming like that.
correct.
Yeah, that's it. Difference between mux and uh,
Mm.
so my next question is like just give me a second. Yeah. So what is meant by parameter?
Parameters are predefined uh, constant.
Okay. Yeah, that's correct. So how can we can override the like different ways, like different methods to override the parameters? Can you explain that? What are the different ways to override a parameter?
In one way, we can override in module instantiation.
Okay.
Another is by using the keyword def param.
Yeah, exactly. That's two ways we can override.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Can you explain differentiate, I mean, differences between what is meant by parameter and what is meant by tick define, and what is the difference between them?
Both serves the same purpose, but the parameters are a keyword in Verilog, whereas the tick defined tick include all this or processor commands.
Okay, like is the only difference technical? Like, is there any other difference?
I don't know, sir. Is there anything?
Okay. Yeah. Vansh, what about you?
Uh, so parameter is used to like parameter constant, which is used to uh, in, which is used to implement the parameterized module. I mean, like if width is already defined, then we can change the width of module by giving the parameter. So, like parameter can be used to change the value, uh, change the value of constant if you want. But in define, the value is same. Like if we define the value is same in the entire module, I think.
Okay. What about tick define?
I mean, take define module, the value will be same for entire file. But in parameter, we can change the value by providing at the time of instantiation, we can change the value.
Okay. So the thing is like, yeah, you are close to the thing, but parameter is having local scope. Only inside module it will be declared. Okay. Only up to that module it will work. But whereas it's tick define is defined outside the module, like on the top of the module. So it can be used in all modules. Okay.
Mm,
So that is
okay,
it's having a global scope.
okay.
Whereas parameter is restricted to only for that particular, limited to that particular module itself.
You mean if
Okay.
multiple modules are there, then we should use tick define in
Yes.
the
Say
top like
for
that.
example, in a project you want to like declare some constant value which
Mm,
comes to all modules. Then we can use tick define. We can declare one a constant value and we can use in each file.
okay.
I mean each module. Sorry. So that's the thing. Can you explain the difference between what is meant by function and task, and how can it will be helpful to the to write code easily? Like that means what is the purpose of it?
Both are used to avoid the repetition of codes, like
Yes.
for same purpose, which is required multiple times. We can either use function or task.
Okay. What is the difference between function and task? Yes.
Function doesn't take any simulation time,
Okay.
but a task consumes the simulation time. And
Okay.
what else? Functions has a return value,
Okay.
whereas in task it considers that arguments
Okay.
in output arguments.
Okay. Whereas function doesn't have any arguments. Shivpriya,
Yes, sir.
function doesn't contain any arguments. What about you,
Task
Ange?
only take this output arguments, right?
Yeah,
Function
output.
has a return value.
Yeah, that's correct. So output, I'm not asking output argument. Will function contain any arguments like inputs, like that, in outputs, or as you told, outputs like that?
Yes, I guess. But I don't know.
Which ports it will take as arguments? Vance, do you have any idea on that?
Uh, function take inputs argument and it return the value,
Yes.
and the return the variable that return the value should be same as function name, and
Mhm.
function doesn't take time. So I mean function do not take we can't use time like
Delays.
we can't give delays in function, but whereas task is used to give delays,
Okay.
and function we can use in synthesis, whereas we can't use task because it contains delay usually, and task we have both input and output arguments.
Mm.
uh, yeah, and
Can we call a function inside a task?
yeah, we can call.
Can we call task inside a function?
I think we don't. We should not. I think.
Function inside a function?
Yeah, we can call.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, that's correct, Vansh.
Mm.
Shivpriya, I hope you got clarity now. Whereas a function has only inputs as its arguments, whereas task can has a input, output, and output also.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the thing. Uh, okay. Can you explain about generate block, how it will be helpful?
It is used to access this parameterized modules.
It will act like a parameterized module.
Used to access the parameter. Like if there's a n bit full adder, we can
Okay.
create a generalized full adder
Okay.
with uh, with a with a variable n.
Okay. Like you mean to say like you can instantiate n times the same module?
Yes,
Okay. Okay.
with the keyword gen word.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's correct. So to instantiate the same multiple times, so we can use only for loop, or we can use for any like if else case also. Hello. Can we use only for like for loop only? We can use this generate. I mean, we can do multiple times instantiation, or if else also based on the condition or case. Can we do instantiation by using generate block? Vanch?
Yeah, if else we can use with generate. Suppose with some condition
Yeah.
we want to instantiate or not, we can decide
Without generate
using
block,
if else.
can we do that?
If else, yeah, we can do it also, but
No,
not
no,
for
with
instantiation.
yeah.
Not for instantiation. Just if else we can use some, like for instantiation, if we want to instantiate some block, okay, and based on condition, then we can use generate block with if else.
Yes, yes, that's correct. Okay, what is meant by multi-source error? Like when we'll face this kind of errors? We discussed about this, I think we already discussed, and while we are having sessions, all the time we discuss about it. Shivpriya, you have idea on this?
No, sir.
What about you, Vansh?
No idea.
So, for example, if you have two always blocks, for same variable, you are assigning different values at the same time
Okay.
without it. So at that time, or you are assigning like in normally inside module, like you are assigning to same variable with the different values also, you will get that error. That means at a time you are trying to give the different values to the same variable.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, that's thing. My next question is like, can you write a adder code in a single line? Vansh, can you share your screen?
Sure.
Yeah.
Screen is visible.
Oh yeah, yeah, your screen is visible.
Okay.
And Shivapriya, meanwhile, can you write a priority encoder?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, done.
Vansh,
Yeah.
can you write a like register serial in serial out code in a single line? Like which I mean, single line means you can use always block.
Register. Which register? D.
Yeah, you can use anything like serial in serial out or anything.
Okay. Serial in serial. Okay. Okay. That. Yeah.
Shivri, are you writing it? Can you share if possible your screen? You have done with that.
Yes, sir. One second.
Shivriya, like I have asked about priority encoder, not normal encoder. So can you write using K6?
So,
I think I hope you got idea now.
Okay.
You can take your time, Shukya, no problem.
One second, sir. I feel something's wrong.
Yeah, Shukriya. Like you didn't write a case inside that you'll write, right? Case
Yeah.
of that also you written. The inputs you will write inside the case, right? Based on that. Just check it once. And take time, no problem.
Done.
Is it okay or should I need to write test bench as well? Hello?
Yeah, no need of test bench, Shivriya. That's fine. Uh, yes. So, can you explain about it, Shivriya?
So here it's a 4:2 priority encoder.
Yeah.
Based on that bit position which has this highest priority, like higher, if its MSD is 1,
Okay.
uh, yeah, that data will be that one
You
will be
wrote
given to the output.
some mistake, Shivriya. So y equals to you will get d of 3. Already you are giving input as that value. So you will get a 1 1, correct? That is the value. It's a 4.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
That's it.
it's a 4 is to 2 encoder. We will get
Okay. It will
and
get
even,
1
yeah,
1.
that is also thing. And even you will get that seventh line, right? 0 1 x x. That means why? Because like 0 it won't consider. Whenever the first one it will see, that will prioritize to that. No need of keeping before that one x.
This
Yeah, that,
one.
yes, 0 you can keep. So after 1 you can keep x. Anyhow, it will prioritize only once, right? It won't see for 0. After 1 it will not it should not be repeated. So that's why
Then
we are
both of this
using
will become same, right?
what?
This also MSB1, this also
No, no, no,
MSB1.
0 you should place. 0 0 1 x x you should keep.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the thing. 0 it won't prioritize, right? After 1, whenever it see first one, that will prioritize that one. That's why
Okay.
after
Okay.
1 you are keeping that x, and you should change that y output also 1 1 like that.
Okay.
Yeah, that's correct, Shreya. So here I have one more question from this. So you are writing default case also, okay? Default case item. So if I'm not writing default case item, what it will happen? For example, I'm taking a variable of 3 bit. Okay, let me take my input as 3 bit. But I am writing case items for 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. So remaining I'm not writing. Then I'm not writing default case also. Then what will happen?
It will
That means
form a unwanted latch.
yes, exactly. So because if you are giving an input of 6 and 7, then it will not is a valid thing. That's where it will form unwanted latch. That's why we are giving default case. Whenever the input which is not in the case item, if you give, that will take the default value. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's correct, Shiv. Yeah, whatever you wrote, that code is correct. So,
Mm.
Vansh, did you finish that code?
Yes.
Can you share your screen?
Are you able to see?
Yes. Can you just copy this code and paste in Vivado, and can you just like show me the circuit of it?
Sure. Set desktop. Okay. 1 second. Works case. This is showing syntax error. 1 second. Okay. Hmm. It is
Uh,
coming like this. Yeah.
yeah, but your screen is not visible. Like still, it is
Oh,
should
okay.
VDA playground.
Okay. 1 second. Yeah.
Yeah, it's now it's like yeah. So this is the way we can write in a single line code, right?
Hmm.
That's it. Yeah, guys, like like you did well. Like that's that's it. If you have any questions, we can discuss. Like, or else we can leave the session. Like you have done good. Like you did well.
Hmm.
Most of the questions you have answered correctly. Yeah, I think I have covered most of the topics.
Yeah.
Yeah, like yeah, I think Verilog also I have covered most of the things, and coding wise also you are good, but little bit you should practice.
Hmm.
Shivapriya, you are answering very nice, like even theoretical wise and like coding wise also. But somewhere you should practice some concepts. I think like kind of case items, like case related things,
Okay.
and like even you should practice FSMs.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, I think like you have like you did well. Like I have covered most of the questions in very long. You did well, but little bit you check with the codings also practice wise. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Like, if you have
Thank
any
you.
questions, we can discuss. Otherwise, we can leave the session. We can. Okay.
No question.
Yeah. Okay, guys. We can.